What does your perfect vacation look like? We're trying to have our perfect family vacation. We just started. It's Sunday. We left the house yesterday, drove a couple hours, and we are at Bryce Bike Park. So we rode all day yesterday. Didn't do any footage or anything like that. We just had fun. Reagan is now on the Little Bryce Baddies race team, brand new team. So she's one of the OGs. And today is Downduro. It's race 2, and they're racing Screwdriver. I'm taking the day off. So there's some folks that spent the night. We're got the Happy Trails camper. And there's the mountain. And so we got a nice little crew here. We got a sweet setup. John and his family, Dave and their crew. And we got Big Bodie Dog here, Mavericks in the camper. And yeah, we've got Downduro today, where they'll be racing down Screwdriver. And then tomorrow, we're gonna camp in the parking lot again tonight. And then tomorrow, we head to Brevard. We're gonna ride Pisgah for the week. Stay tuned. All right. We're getting staged for practice. 10 a.m. Race is at like, Reagan goes at like 1:30. Right. Here's all our baddies.
Go do a bike or no? No, I can only do it sometimes. You can ask for that.
Go.
Okay. We're gonna slow the lift down.
I don't like that. I don't like them.
As you're going in before the corner, then we're gonna let off with the left brake, which is your front brake, as you go into the corner. And then once you feel good and strong, let off with the other one, come out faster.
I'm gonna be going slow at some point so I can just
Elodie, that bike is gigantic. Elodie rides a really nice carbon stump jumper, but has bottom bracket issues, so she had to rent this Slash here. Also a nice bike, but a little big.
Alright, 2, 1.
So if you haven't figured it out yet, what we're doing is pre-ride. This is Screwdriver, so this is the race course. And we're getting our pre-ride on. Kids are doing great so far. Looking good, Kara. I'm behind our youngest baddie, Kara. She's 8. Riding a common Sol. She's riding well. Woo. No, I didn't see it.
You got all 3 12s ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Elodie.
Can we drop him?
Elodie.
Did you get held up?
Elodie.
No. Matt, hold on a second. We might drop this guy.
Okay.
Yeah, come on up.
We'll
Let's
have
get
you
you when
go.
you're ready.
Yeah, that makes sense. I'm gonna drop him,
Take a
and then we'll
breath.
send you.
378, was he behind or?
Elodie, I'm recording. Say hi.
Be a good
Hi.
place for you to go.
We're gonna win this.
Honey, I'm gonna go now,
Perfect right now.
so I can go watch you.
Okay.
Get some.
Elodie? Hey, let me know if
10
you
seconds?
get any more reruns so I can let
Come on, Elodie.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go, Elodie!
All right, 25 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Get him, Reagan.
You got it, Reagan!
Let's go, Reagan. Woo, woo. Nice.
Holy crap, she's... Go. Go, baby, go. You look great, honey. Woo!
Woo, woo. Nice.
Go, baby, go. You look great, honey. All right, we're here post-race. We're waiting for the podium. How was your race, Elodie?
Terrible, very terrible. I don't like it. It was hard.
You didn't like it, it was hard.
A bit hard. Hi.
How was your race? Good, okay.
Hey, at least you still get a medal.
Let's find some more baddies. Kara,
Okay.
how was your race?
Good.
Did you have fun? No?
Yes. I would say that was a yes.
That was a yes. Here's the OG baddie daddy, Thomas, the man that put all this together.
Claim nothing, good sir. How was it? Did they have fun?
They had fun.
Awesome.
They had fun.
Did they say anything about my music skills?
I didn't hear anything about your music skills.
Makes me devastating.
There's future pro right there. Brecklin, future pro.
I think she had a mechanical on the first one.
She did. She did.
There you go, Danny. Second place, Grail Keith. Time of 4:55. And first place, Emmeline Power. Fire in town, 449.
Good job.
See that?
Good job, Danny.
Good job, Danny.
Here we go. Third place, Kara Schulman. Yes. Second place, Reagan Calderon. Yes. And before I announce first place, just a little reminder that today is the 1-year anniversary of the Baddies figuring out that they want to be the Baddies. Melody, first place, Miss Sherman. The Baddies is a Bryce race team. If anybody wants to get involved in the Baddies race team, there might be some room left. Before we get too deep into the season, just reach out to myself or Mike down here. Okay? We're going to start something big and good here at the resort.
Big! We're saying
Little racing
big.
development. Bear, get out of the pit. Oh, you're a baddie. Yeah, you get in there.
No, Bear.
Wait,
Bear.
team picture.
I'm just a girl. I'm a baddie.
Do you want the boy out?
No, I want the boy out. Yes, please.
Yo, Bear, come on over here. Come on over. Come over.
You're a boy.
Yes.
Get him.
You got a picture?
Hey, Mav.
They get a picture.
Come here, baby.
Get him.
Let them
Tight.
There you go.
Good job, girls.
Thanks to all the volunteers today. Thank you, everybody. Ask Lynn.
Hey, Kara.
You're great.
Another Downduro in the books. Great day for the Calderon family and the Little Bryce Baddies. Proud of you, Reagan.
All right, look at me.
It's a couple days post-race, and we are on the second part of our vacation. We're at the Davidson River Campground here in Pisgah National Forest. So I'm telling you, we are having an amazing vacation. And what a great place to edit this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed our baddies. And always remember, stay rowdy, my friends.